Hi everyone, welcome back to CrochetRocks. Tracy here, and I have some happy mail. You know what? My morning chat, I said today how I've not had anything nice to open lately. I haven't ordered myself anything, and by that, you know, I usually kind of have a book arriving or something that I've got coming from Amazon or eBay or a company, maybe boots online, some toiletries or something for me. Usually I have something coming in the mail, if not one day, but a couple of days on the trot, you know. And I haven't ordered anything other than functional items for quite some time. I haven't been shopping for trivial, frilly kind of purchases. You know, I've not bought any makeup. I don't wear it that often, I know, but I do wear powder and stuff like that. But I do tend to, when we go out, put some makeup on. I have rather a lot, but I still always look for new, yummy kind of stuff. I haven't bought anything, absolutely anything. I haven't bought a top, a pair of trousers, a pair of shorts, or anything. The last thing we bought when we went out shopping, I think, was shoes and well, sandals a long while ago, way before the beginning of summer. So yeah, and normally speaking, the postman brings me, and delivery people bring me little bits and bobs that I've ordered, but not for a long time. So there I was, feeling very sorry for myself about the lack of yummy mail, and this arrives, can you believe it, on the very day I moaned about it as well. So this has come from Rebecca England, who comes from the USA. Don't let the name fool you. She's from the USA, and she did say to me that she'd got some happy mail coming a while ago, and it has taken a little while to get here. Trying to get in without you know, damaging it or me in the process, because she does like a bit of tape. She does like a bit of tape, does our Rebecca. But that's no bad thing. I mean, you know, you want them to arrive in one piece, and I have to say this box is a tad squashed, but it's not breached, you know, where it's intact. I managed to actually open it and get, I don't know if it's going to work, but I managed to get the tab to come out. So that's, wow, yes it is. Oh, I'm in. Just got to snip that bit off at the side to open it up. Oh, there's a book. What have we got in here? This is I love it. Hang on, there's more in there, but the title of this, I just love this. This is, oh look, takes big balls to be a hooker. Oh my god, and I used to be a redhead. Isn't that just cute as a button? I love that. Takes big balls to be a hooker. And it's a project book. I've never had a project book. Can you believe it? In all the years that I've been crocheting, knitting and everything else, I've never had myself a project book. So this is my very first, and I love it. This book belongs to Paige. Look at that. Crochet logbook. I absolutely love it. I'm going to use this big time. I'm always getting in a kerfuffle. And I design something and then I can't remember what size hook I used or what stitch I did and how my, you know, what's the word I'm looking for? The the stitch count. That's the word. So yeah, I can put my scissors over there now. I love that. I like what it says on the front as well. Oh, look at this one. Ah, just as my other book is halfway through. Best old folks jokes ever. Oh my goodness, that's brilliant. It's chock-a-block full of jokes. So that will keep me going, won't it? That definitely will. Jokes for Seniors by Chantel Grace. Fantastic. Thank you very much. I love it. I love it. I love it. And there's more, guys. What's this? Oh, what is this? Oh, wow. Let's open this up. It says fashion jewellery and accessories. It's a little dark down here, but let's open this up. Something cute is afoot. Let's have a look. There we are. Put that in there. This is a bracelet and it's got love hearts on that are American flags. Look at that. Isn't that fabulous? Wow, thank you very much. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. Thank you. Oh, bless. I'm going to take it off. My little card. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Well, hey, I'm definitely going to wear that. Thank you very much. I'm going to put it there for now. Can't do things up on my own self. I struggle for hours and hours and hours. I have to get Gary to do it for me. This is a big pile. And there's a card. There's something rattling around the bottom. Yep, nearly missed that. There's something else rattling around the bottom. Just make sure there's nothing else rattling. I think that's it. Okay, so we have a card and 3 more things. I don't want to drop them. I'll put those on there. I'm not sure what that is. That's big. There's a card. Let's have a little looky. It said, here's the latest scoop. And a nice little card with some, you know, a message. I won't embarrass her by reading that on camera. I'll read that afterwards. Thank you very much. And then, oh wow, look at that. Oh look, that is just so me, isn't it? And what does it say? Back to front, maybe? No. I think I might need my neck light. Very dingy down here. But if I have it too bright, it plays havoc with the light. This says, love is love. And then there's my symbol. Wowza. Isn't that cute? I'm going to put that. Definitely going to put that pin. It's one of those pins with this backing. Definitely put that on my jacket. Thank you so much. And there's more. What's this one? What is this? This might be something, oh, it's pretty. Itchy nose, guys. It's my treatment. So if I do scratch it, I do apologise. It is absolutely horrendous at the moment for itch. I try my best not to scratch it, but it is very, very difficult. These are earrings. Look at that. And they've got like red, white and blue, and it's not going to get it to turn. I'm going to have to hold the bottom so you can see it. Oh, and it wants to go the other way. It's got a little American flag on it. And these beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, she's so sweet. And you spoilt me. Did I whinge today that nothing nice arrived in the mail for me for a long time? I mean, my own self, you know. I hadn't ordered myself. Oh, sorry. I hadn't ordered myself any goodies for a very long time. That's what I kind of meant. And then all of a sudden, it's like Christmas has arrived. Okay, so this is packaging. She's well packaged this, so it doesn't break, I guess. Let's have a look. We're nearly in, I think. This is paper. What is this? Possibly some kind of instruction or something. I need that neck light back. Okay, this is Stress Away Essential Oil Blend. Features copaiba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, octea and lavender for an exotic aroma. You achieving a happy and positive day. You know, I can smell it from here. It's actually, I could open, as soon as I open the box, I could smell something. There's a smell in there that kind of reminds me a little bit of Earl Grey. You know, that kind of smell. It's essential oil blend. So, okay, I think that's just there's either 2 or that's repeated. So I'll pop that up there for a moment. Sorry about this. Oh, it really does need an itch. Okay, so what have we got? Wow, it really does smell lovely. Okay. Here we are. It's in a little pouch. It's got a little button that you can undo. And then inside, there's some essential oils. I think there are 3. That's why they've got different ones. So, wow, look at this. They come in these little bottles. And are they roll-on? Yes, they are. Wow, they are lovely. Wow, I shall be pampered and happy. That one's beautiful. Oh, wow. And what is that? Let's get my light again. My eyesight's awful, and I didn't bring... Hang on. Valori, that's lovely. And that one is Joy. And this one is Stress Away. I might need that. Oh boy, do I ever need that one? Oh, that's lovely. That's very sweet. That's lovely. I think you're meant to do this. Oh, I should be smelling it. I won't put it on my nose, obviously, or under it. That's lovely. Oh, it really is. And I've got this lovely little pouch that they all go in together. And then they fit into that other pouch. So you won't lose them. Well, I won't lose them. Not you. Me. Oh, I didn't put one away. Silly me. I thought it went in there a bit easy. But I've been totally spoiled. Isn't that gorgeous? Definitely going to be using the Stress Away. Honestly, stress levels have been off the charts lately. But sometimes you see it, guys, and sometimes you don't. But thank you so much. I absolutely... There they are, back together. I love it. I really do. And I just... that really tickled me, the title of this book. And I'm looking forward to sharing these with you on my chats. And all my goodies. Wow. Thank you so much. I have been well and truly spoiled. Absolutely. And Rebecca, so thank you so much. Did I did say it was from Rebecca, didn't I? Rebecca England. Yeah, I did. I remember saying that. Don't be fooled by the name. That is absolutely lovely. Thank you so much. I can't tell you, it's cheered me up no end today, and especially gonna use that book. Absolutely, 100%. I'm gonna use that. So thank you. Mwah. You've all been so good to me over the last 4 years that I've been doing my channel, and it's always heartwarming when I get such lovely messages and I get happy mail from you guys and everything else. It's you know, you don't have to do it, but it really is appreciated when you do. So and this one has come at just the right time for me. I've been feeling so very moody and sorry for myself lately, and you know, sometimes you just need to take a step back. And I don't know if any of you guys have seen a very emotional video from Mikey from the Crochet Crowd, and I did make a comment. It was rather a large one. I don't get to read it, but yeah, I think all of us from time to time, whether you're a creator or not, you get overwhelmed and you get you lose your crojo or you lose your motivation. And I know he's got he was talking about the cyberbullies, but for me, that's never touched the sides for me. And I think, you know, from time to time we all get a little bit bullied in our lives, and at those times when we're strong and in control, we won't care what people think of us. But then there comes a time when we're all a bit overwhelmed, when we get swamped by it. And I think he must be in that zone right now. But he's lost sight of all of his massive achievements, I think, and his self-worth. So I think we need to give him some love. And I know that, you know, just as much as he's got over 1 million subscribers, I've got nearly 12,000. Doesn't really compare. But we've got people who love us and we've got people who really don't. And that's fine. You know, that's fine. But when those people try to make someone's life a misery, that's not on. And I think he needs to get his head into the space where he doesn't care about what they think. And the only way that he can do that, I think, is if we all kind of make him feel like, to hell with him, you know, appreciate what you've got and appreciate yourself and we appreciate you, that sort of thing. So if you take anything away from this, know that I am absolutely thankful for what I've got, but I'm asking you guys to help him as well. So thank you so much, Rebecca. I cannot thank you enough. Mwah. And thank you to everyone who's watched my watch hours on this channel and on Rocksteady. I feel like a crack record saying it, but it's because I'm so thankful to you guys for everything you do for me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.